चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले, जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार पले. Yes, my dear parents, we sing such songs through our hearts for our children throughout our lives, and we wish to pick each thorn whatever comes their way with our hands, and we even want to care and cure. Yeah, I'm going to talk about parenting today. Parenting is a vast topic, and I don't think I can cover in one video. So we are planning that we will be doing a series of parenting. So today I'm going to talk about rules or no rules. Flexible, harsh, simple, easy, tough, family rules, cultural rules, value rules, political rules. There are so many rules we put on, and there are some rules which are lifelong, and as a family tradition, we want these rules to be there throughout their lives. And there are some rules which we let go. Even we think that okay, it's okay to have them and it's okay to let them go after a period of time. So it is our duty to make such rules which are going to stay and which are valid enough, because nowadays children are smart enough to counter question. So first of all, I'm going to talk about the ones who are over-parenting their children. Over-parenting means they are putting too much pressure on their heads. They are putting too much expectations on them, and in that way they put so many rules on them. And I tell you, just like too many aromas will spoil the dish, that way too many rules will even spoil the beautiful aroma of parenting. And over-parenting even may lead to depression, anxiety, fear. They will lose their confidence and they won't feel extrovert enough, and they won't feel confident enough to go out and talk about any topic. So sometimes putting strict rules or putting too many rules is not a good idea, and it should be avoided rather. And plus, I will also say that when you're putting a rule, always take your child's consideration into it. Always tell them why the rule is being there, what is the reason of putting particular rule, and how long it is going to take for such rule. Like, there are just one example, that if your child is going to have a social media account for the first time, so you have to put your child in the loop that if you're going to have the social media account, you need to make us friends, or we need to know, or we should have your password, so that in any situation if you are stuck, we should be able to help you out or cure you out. So that way, be friends with them, and always be touchy. I have some communication. Don't ever let the communication gap. So parenting is a job 365 by 24 by 7, and there are no rewards, and it is a job with all the reflections and risks. There is a huge risk factor that you are always at risk. Your child may even put a question mark, what have you done for me throughout your life? So to avoid such questions later on, you should always have a good bonding with your child. Family which stays together goes together, or family which dines together stays together. So always have a dining discussion, have dinners or lunch together. If you don't get time, try to find time. Isolate yourself from all the work and spend some time with your child. Then don't let them be shy, and let them be extrovert, and let them come and talk to their personal problems to you. You should be the first person whom they should look forward to. Then don't be judgmental all the time. Don't be nosy. Don't be bossy. You are not the boss. It doesn't mean that if you're born few years ago and you're going to boss around and you think that you are the only who will be the decision maker. Let them make the decisions. Let them have the choices. Always watch their decisions. And if they are wrong, they are going to get it. They are going to get by experiment. So parenting is a trial and error too. You keep trying and you keep doing wrong, and then you learn from your errors. And likewise, they will also learn from trial and error. Lastly, I will say, always feel their feelings. Always try to feel how they feel. That is very important. When they will come to know that my parents know that it will hurt, or I'm going to get pinched by such rule, don't make such rules. Or even if you are going to make some rules which are going to pinch them, which is for their betterment, tell them. Keep them in the loop and do tell them why you are making such rule. It is for their betterment. It is for their life. It is for the betterment of their growth and development. Before I leave, I will say, आदमी जो कहता है, आदमी जो सुनता है, वो सदाएं जीवन भर साथ रहती हैं. So watch your words before you say anything to your child. They keep in their heart throughout their lives.